Jinse mochina liagendrete okolekana abakoli emirimo anene korwase Mwalimu Sacco imeye county ya Kisii niko ono bagokera obokori boyo kabero omusiyo obwesake yo ibono oberga kugerase kakie myaka 30 yabereke goeta Charles okelio Mwanza nigo akora emirimo yabo yobo osomerimo yaye yobokoreri aseri tuko lya lero
Nigetambukiro kiagokerwa nabange kubatkana nobokoreri bwaye agwase oyorachi koirari bagari yaye Charles munomusiyo muya Jared Mwenga abeirega korie ira iyogochia kosukia bosio esake yo ase okorwa obokoreri borobwekira n'umuyego yo nigokorekana ase chinsemo chia musocho
omurikito Josephat ya Miss nekiranense mino gutwariganira roboti rokobwatia
Erituko lyo mwelio lyaye Charles okelio Mwanza koba omokoreri anene omusio ase Gusii Mwalimu Sacco magayo gokora gwetania emyaka 30 na boigo kogokera obokoreri bwaye korengana nero omonyene.
Number one, I came to the Sacco when it was struggling to survive. By that I mean, even in terms of finances, they were too low. In fact, in terms of share capital, they had around 677 million share deposits, but currently we have over 9 billion share deposits. In terms of loan portfolio, we had 677 million, but currently we have 11.5 million.
Charles Mwanza nigatebire obokoreri bwaye ase Gusii Mwalimu Sacco bwanyare gutwara amakong kurende kubwatekana no kubwaterana amona bakori emeremo ase sakeyo bainekire buna obokoreri obu bwanyare koba obiya.
The journey has not been rosy or true because you know, a Sacco society is a political institution. There is a lot of politics, and I've managed now to survive those turbulent times because I've known the rules of the game. I've known my customers, I've known my members, because I've been articulate in handling their issues.
Kukwana ase omuyego yuko mwakero kwaheri oyogosoa ase kirogo kikyobosi Jared Mwenga nigagokeire obokoreri bwaye Charles Mwanza.
Having been employed back in the year 1993 as an accounts clerk, risen through ranks to the position of a CEO that he has held since July of 2007. I can see that Mr. Mwanza has been a pillar in the growth of Gusii Mwalimu Sacco, and given that he has been the captain for the last 16 years as the CEO, he has seen the Sacco grow from membership to asset base and even to the personnel who work with the Sacco.
Charles Mwenga boigo nigarire chira chugo ikirania amagani anene ase sakeyo ya Gusii Mwalimu.
In part of this strong team, and as he exits, I want to assure everybody else that we have a team behind that is left that of course will deliver on the promises that we have.
Gatia bali banyara kwa gwikirana asomo yegoyo no muwaziri bobolemu county ya Kisii Daktari Baada uyo waenekeria bune county ya Kisii nechikobaye kubwaterana amona Gusii Mwalimu Sacco na boigo kogokera obokoreri bwaye omwansa
imba arati development of agriculture, and particularly now in this year, especially this financial year, the development and strengthening of cooperatives, and Kisii, Gusii Mwalimu Sacco is one. That is where we want to put our strength, and I'm very, very proud.
Bobisa boigo kurwa ase chinsemo abairia mona bamate abanyara ko bagwikira no muyegoyo nigo begokirie amone mirimo emiya Mwanza nyale ko bagakora ase Gusii Mwalimu Sacco.
Making your dreams a reality. Continue the journey of destiny and purpose. For sure, this is not the end of the road, but a beginning of an open highway. Life is like a movie. Be your own script writer. Let God be the movie director.
I want to congratulate Mr. Mwanza for a job well done. You've made us proud. I was sharing with my national treasurer about the building that you put up in Ogembo. That is where I stay, and I've told him I always feel like going and sitting there even if I'm not doing anything.
Look at look at the picture of Gusii Mwalimu. That is the picture, that is the traits of our CEO who is retiring today.
kuripotiri gotaseni kia Ndizi TV kurumosocho yigotoka mieko constituency ya Kitutu Chache South imeye